We are Emerald Meadows Landscaping, serving Indianapolis, Carmel, Zionsville, Fishers, Noblesville, Westfield, and the surrounding areas with custom landscaping and hardscape design and installation services. By today's standards, a home absent of a deck is like a gift without the wrapping. The days of kicking back in your backyard in a lawn chair atop dirt or grass can be gone. Imagine having an outdoor living area that envelops you as you step out of your back door. You enter your own little oasis where relaxation and fun await. Not sure what kind of deck to build? Our designers work closely with you to bring your specifics to life. We create custom decks as well as standard designs such as attached, wraparound, multi-level, and island styles. The possibilities are endless. We also work on existing decks that may need staining, repairing, or rejuvenation. Emerald Meadows Landscaping are the professionals you want to have. We strive to provide you with the type of service that we ourselves would expect. Contact us today at 317-426-8577.